I'm Dr. Alex Guerrero, the creator of Vax-Checker, and in this short video I'm going to go over how you can use Vax-Checker to outsource your vaccine verification and to really outsource your peace of mind. So let's say you're going to have an event. It could be a birthday party, it could be a cruise, it could be opening night performance at a community theater. It could be really anything. Now you either want to make sure everybody's vaccinated, or you want to know who's vaccinated and who isn't. Now, you could just have people show up and show you their vaccine cards. However, then you wouldn't be able to anticipate how many people are actually vaccinated. If you wanted to do it in advance, it gets tricky because the vaccine card is considered protected health information. And so you would need to have a HIPAA compliant way to manage that protected health information. Fortunately, Intertrauma Consulting is in fact a HIPAA compliant organization, and we've created exactly this type of an infrastructure for events such as these. So planning an event usually ends up something like this. And the last thing you want to be thinking about is having to deal with vaccine verification. And quite frankly, I don't think you want any surprises at the door when people show up and they start arguing that they forgot their vaccine card or whatever. So the way it would work is you would email the people that you would like to invite. And in this email, you would include a link to our portal, and it would include some type of a unique identifier. That is to say, each person that you invite would have a unique code that would probably line up either with your system, or if you're doing it by paper, it's something that we could very easily create for you so that it generates a list. And people don't just go onto a website and put in their information unless they've already been invited by you. So they go to our portal, they sign a consent form which authorizes us to use their medical information in order to determine whether they'll have access to your event or not. And they get an email with a copy of that consent form and their electronic signature. Then everything goes into a HIPAA compliant spreadsheet that then we have healthcare professionals look at and determine whether or not the person has met the requirements for the vaccine. And then people are either approved, rejected, or equivocal. And then equivocal, we bump it up to another level where we scrutinize them even more and maybe speak with the individual, maybe request additional documentation. So we send a list of the cleared applicants back to you, and we can either send it to you, or we can do what's called primary key integration, where as soon as if our systems are integrated, once we approve it in our system, it's automatically approved on your end. Now, this is a lot more sophisticated, and this would be for something larger like a cruise ship or something. And then it goes back to you, and you can do what you like with it, but hopefully you'll be doing less of that and more of this. For more information, just go to vax-checker.com or vax-checker@intertrauma.com. Thank you very much.